In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Capcut in Bluestacks. We'll cover two straightforward ways to get Capcut running inside Bluestacks 5, the Google Play Store method, which is the easiest, and an APK install method if the app doesn't show up for you. I'll also share quick fixes for common issues so you can edit smoothly without hiccups. First, let's use the Play Store. Start by launching BlueStacks 5 on your PC and opening the Google Play Store inside it. Sign in with your Google account and give the Play Store a moment to finish loading completely. Once you're in, use the search bar to look up Capcut. Select the official app and tap Install. Keep BlueStacks open while it downloads and installs. Depending on your connection, this can take a bit. When the installation completes, Capcut will appear on the BlueStacks home screen, ready to open. If you don't see it right away, check the app drawer in BlueStacks, but it should be pinned to the main screen automatically. If Capcut isn't available in your Play Store or you prefer not to use the store, the APK method is a solid alternative. On your PC, open a browser and download the Capcut APK from a trusted, reputable source. Make sure you're getting the latest stable version to avoid compatibility issues. Then switch back to BlueStacks. You can either drag the APK file directly into the BlueStacks window to start the install automatically, or click the Install APK button on the BlueStacks sidebar, select your downloaded file, and click Open. BlueStacks will handle the rest and place Capcut with your other apps once it's installed. If you run into problems, here are reliable fixes. If Capcut doesn't appear in the Play Store, it's often a region issue with your Google account. Switching the account region can help, and the APK method is an immediate workaround. If the app crashes or feels laggy, allocate more memory to BlueStacks, ideally 4 to 8 gigabytes, and enable hardware virtualization on your machine for better performance. Running an Android 11 instance in BlueStacks can also improve compatibility with newer app versions. If you see a black screen on startup, try switching the graphics mode between OpenGL and DirectX in BlueStacks settings, then restart the app. And always make sure BlueStacks itself is up to date. Updates often include performance and compatibility fixes that resolve these symptoms quickly. That's it. Choose the method that fits your situation and you'll have Capcut ready to go inside BlueStacks in just a few minutes.